Got an 18 Honda accordion fuel pump for you, bud. Sneak up in the trunk here. We're gonna pull these little releasey dealies. Yeah. Swing you down. Pivot. Push you down, and okay, fuck you. We're gonna go ahead and push that seat up a wee bit there, and we got some clippies up in here. And we're just gonna remove that, and then we got a big clip here. She likes to break, so we're gonna whip out the snappy clip tool, and that works just great. 10 milli holding in the seat cushion there. Hello. We gonna take you out. Yeah. Loading. Come on. Okay. We can go ahead and swing these back up. Push down, pull out on tabby. There we go. Pivot. Same thing on this side. Squish down, pull out tabby. Beep, bop, boop, and release. And we'll just gently set you down right next to your bald ass tires. Let me just... We need you. And we need, damn it, did not bring a Phillips. But we do have needle nose. So we're just gonna give these a 90-degree twisty poodle. Fuck you. Okay. There she is. Fuel pump. Hello. Just set you right there, I guess. I don't know. Another raggy poodle. And this customer came in with an empty tank, so appreciate that. Shouldn't smell too bad. So that's good. This thing kinda in the way. You're gonna wanna just note the arrow, take that off, and just get out of here. Okay. Next up, we gotta remove the lock ring. Give that a jingle, a jangle. Set that just like that. Ring. Garbo. Now we can just pull this bitch out. Yeah. Okay. Everybody calm down and slow it down. Pig mats. Very absorbent. Very nice. Make sure no fuel drips off the top there. And she should come out fairly easy. It's just not spilling. That is the true task. We're gonna return that gasolina to your tank there, buddy boy. Pig mat. Moral support. More pig mats. Move those aside. Go ahead and drain out that fuel. And you just lost a little bit of gas mileage there, bud. We gotta get this little clip out of there. I'm gonna just go to town here. That goes like that. This goes like such. Okay. Fuel level device. Set that aside. We do not want to break that. Hey, come here. Set that right here. Give that a little turny poodle. And she's out. Pocket scroogey. Whip that bad boy out. And we're gonna separate this. Okay, all right, beautiful, look at that. Okay, moving on. Actual fuel pump is this lower quadrant right here. And we're just gonna take that out and we're gonna immediately just throw it away and not care about it. Nice little O-ring in here. Oh, some dirty fuel. Take that, garbage. Come over here. Got a new fuel pump. We got a new fuel pump for you, bud. Let's go ahead and throw on the new Harn ass. Popped right up in there. And we got some seals. Looks like 2 O-rings. We got a replacement metal clip boy and a white circular dingus. White circle dingus goes on just like that. O-ring on after it, a little bit of silicone spray, CRC, good stuff, link in bio for your bud.com. Moving on. We're just gonna pop this bad boy in here. Something like that. Nice and even, relax your neck. There we go. got one more seal hanging out, pocket screw G. That should go back into the pocket, believe it or not. O-ring for ya. Stick that right up in there. A little bit of silicone. This stuff does evaporate, so it's not gonna harm anything. Calm down. Just helps secure her properly. That's sitting pretty. We lost a spring, and we're gonna figure out where that spring goes. This side. Back on you go. Line up the pulley of pulleys somewhat. Okay. And we can line up the fuel pump, and we gotta get that O-ring seated. Yeah, just like that, bud. Get this little metal C-clip. Push that right up on this. Yeah. Go ahead and tuck you right into your home, followed by the fuel pump wires. Similar routing technique, little reach around and go into your home. Okay, one of these guys, you're just gonna wanna replace that. A new O-ring, we need this special tool from Envision Auto 3D. Beautiful. It's gonna cover up the tank so we don't get any dirt or debris inside of it while we replace this O-ring. Dirt likes to build up right where this seal sits. So if you leave all that dirt, throw a new O-ring on it and tighten it up, it could leak and cause problems. This is beautiful. Let me show you why. All right, this is where the magic happens, boys. Nice and gentle. We're just gonna work it. Nice and easy, no dirt or debris into the fuel tank. And we are ready to put the new O-ring. Look at that. Zero dirt inside of that tank. I'm gonna need you now. And this is gonna line up with something. There's an arrow right there. So we want this little notchy to be with that arrow. Slide you right up on in now. Yeah! Yeah! Nice and easy, gentle install there. Get the ring dingus on there. Oh yeah, that's sitting proper. Now we're just gonna, everybody calm down. Height, height. There we go. Confirm that is on there. Get up. Yeah. Yes, it is. Okay. Nice and lined up. Plug her in. Done with you. Nice little pad. There you go. Move your bald tire. Yeah, real nice. They would not like tires today. Only the fuel pump, please. Turn on the ignition. Let it prime for a little bit. We're gonna hear a little bit of an extendo crank. Or not. Purring like a walrus. Peek a quick gander. And that looks really nice. 90 and a 90 and come here. You be a good girl in there, all right? All right, all right, all right. Done with you. Set you there. Grab the seat cushion right. And we're just gonna toss it in here. Fight the belt buckles a little bit. Let's find your home. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Secure. And we're gonna wrangle some more buckles, make sure they're in the proper position. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Okay. Ooh la la. Don't forget about the heated seats there, bud. They do have the Deluxo edition. Okay, we're nice and locked in, and we have to unlock the seat back again. Should be the last time. Yeah. Okay, 10 mils in. Where are you? Lots of threads on this 10 milli. Some might say it's a little unnecessary. But it's all good. We got good finger strength. We do have tools as well. We're going to utilize the tools. This guy, big clip. This guy, small clip. Yeah. Come on. Show me your hole. Okay. And that is a finished product there, bud. Well, almost. Got to put the child seat back-ish, and we'll be done. We do not, I repeat, we do not reinstall child seats. So this is the best you're going to get after I work on your car. If you have a child seat that I need to take out, it's going back in like this, and you yourself are reconnecting it to the car, because I ain't having any of that. Unlock, unlock. Come with me. Oh, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, and this concludes 2018 Honda Accord fuel pump replacement. Simba.